Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today, pretty excited to announce this WSKEN privacy screen protector for iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this one comes with a full coverage screen, 2.5D H, 10 times HD tempered glass with a military standard. It comes with an easy installation housing. So they have a 2-pack or 4-pack. So this one is a zero failure, easy install. It blends with the screen. It wasn't there. So this is the 9H tempered glass, not like those cheap film. So it is 100% shatterproof, drop protection, scratch resistant, durability, and very easy to install. So as you can see, I got one of the cheap screen protector on there, and this is glass as well. And you can see the bubble forming over here on the edges. There was one right here too. Pursue forever. Fashion, simplicity, shoulder elegant. And this is their logo. And it is made in China. So this is the installation housing. Gonna open from here. So this one has a 2-pack. One over here, one over there. And this is the installation tool. Come with the microfiber cleaning cloth. You got the wet wipe, and then a dust absorber. Got 2 sets. So as you see, I just opened the package, and then the dust or the lint just fall on the glass. And right here is the instruction manual right here. And then you have one of the squeezy tool right here, protected with this fabric, because this is made out of plastic. So it's good that they have insulation to protect in case you're gonna squeeze it out. They give you a panda sticker. And then a thank you card right here. Alright, so this one is already pre-installed over here on the housing, so you don't need to remove it out of the package. So as you can see, it says top. we are going to remove this old screen protector. Going to use my fingernail as a prying tool. And I'm trying not to create any dust because it looks spanking new. Gonna put it into the housing. Alright, and I'm gonna close this. Now I'm going to pull this plastic out. It's peeling out this plastic protector out the screen. You're gonna wait about 20 seconds to let it heal. It says press from here. Alright, so this is the moment of the truth. Going to unclip it. And if you see any more bubble, you want to use a squeezy to squeeze it out. Okay. Some of those you need to let it cure. There you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And I'd like to give a shout out to Amy from their marketing team for sending me this. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace. So I squeezed out all those bubbles that was over here, whatever on the top or corner section. Just had to work on it and let it cure completely. There was some like in the midsection here, and it's all gone. Just be patient to squeeze it out. But if you have a lint that got into it in between, then you're most likely out of luck. No bubble anywhere.